Hello everyone. In this video, we are solve this interesting radical mass Olympiad question. This question is square root 15 plus square root 21 plus square root 25 plus square root 35 over square root 3 plus square root 7 plus square root 20 is equal to what? How to solve this radical mass question. So let's start. Our question here is square root 15. So I can say square root 15, it will be square root 15, it will be 3 times 5 plus, and here is square root 21. You can see easily square root 21, it will be 3 times 7 plus, and square root 25, it will be square root 5 times 5, and here square root 35, it will be square root 5 times 7, and here square root 3 plus square root 7 and square root 20, it will be square root 4 times 5. Now at this moment you can see easily here square root 3, it will be square root 3 times square root 5 plus it will be square root 3 times square root 7 plus it will be square root 5 times square root 5 plus square root 5 times square root 7 over, and here square root 3 plus square root 7 plus, and it will be 2 square root 5. Now in this case you can see easily here square root 3 here is common, so it will be square root 3 and it will be square root 5 plus, and it will be square root 7. Then here is square root 5 is common, so square root 5, then this divide this, it will be square root 5 plus this divide this, it will be square root 7 over, and here square root 3 plus square root 7 and 2 square root 5, it will be square root 5 plus square root 5. Now in this case I can see here is square root 5 plus square root 7 is common, here is same, so it will be square root 5 plus square root 7, so this divide this, it will be square root 3 plus this divide this, it will be square root 5 over, and here you can see easily it will be square root 5 plus square root 7. I take this value here, it will be square root 5 plus square root 7 plus, and in this expression you can see it will be square root 3 plus square root 5. Now at this moment let square root 5 plus square root 7, it will be a, and square root 3 plus square root 5, it will be v. So I can see easily here it will be a and v, so a v, and it will be a plus v. Now let the x is equal to this value. Our target, what is the value of x? So at this moment you can see easily this x, it will be a b over, I can see easily it will be ab over a plus, and it will be av over b. Now you can see easily this expression here x is equal to, if I move on this x here 1 over x inverse, so it will be a over ab plus v over av. Now you can see easily here is x 1 over x, it will be 1 over x, it will be 1 over b plus 1 over a. If I cancel out this and this b, we'll find out here is 1 over x, it will be 1 over b plus 1 over a. Now at this moment you can see the 1 over x, it will be 1 over v, b is square root 3 plus square root 5, so it will be square root 5 plus square root 3 plus 1 over a, it will be square root 7 plus square root 5, so square root 7 plus square root 5. Now at this moment you can see that here is 1 over x is equal to, here is square root 5 plus square root 3. I multiply this below square root 5 minus square root 3. Then again if I cancel out here, minus square root 3 plus, and in this expression you can see it will be 1 over, this value will be square root 7 plus square root 5, and it will be square root 7 minus square root 5, and here square root 7 minus square root 5. Now in this expression you can see 1 over x is equal to, we know that here is square root 5 minus square root 3, but it will be a plus b times a minus b. We know that it will be a square minus b square. According to this law, it will be square root 5 whole to the power 2 minus square root 3 whole to the power 2 plus, and in this expression you can see that it will be square root 7 whole to the power 2 and square root 5 whole to the power 2, and it will be square root 7 minus square root 5. Now I can say that here is 1 over x is equal to, and it will be 5 minus 3. Square root is cancelled, square root is cancelled, it will be 5 minus 3. And here is square root 5 minus square root 3 plus it is also 7 minus 5, and it will be square root 7 minus square root 5. Now in this expression you can say easily 1 over x is equal to, it will be 2, it will be square root 5 minus square root 3 plus it is also 2, it will be square root 7 minus square root 5. Now here is least common value is 2, so if I take here is 2, and it will be square root 5 minus square root 3 plus this it will be square root 7 minus square root 5. Then you can see that this cancel out. We are find out here is 1 over x is equal to square root 7, and here is negative square root 3 over 2. But our target x is equal to what? So at this moment you can see the little v x is equal to 2 over square root 7 minus square root 3. Now again I multiply, here is 2, and it will be square root 7 plus square root 3, and it will be square root 7 minus square root 3, and here is square root 7 plus square root 3. This cancel out. We are find out again previous line. Then it will be 2 square root 7 plus square root 3, and we know that it will be a square minus b square. Then you can see easily here is square root is cancelled, so we are find out here is x is equal to 2 square root 7 plus square root 3. Here is bracket, and it will be 7 minus 3. Then you can see easily here is 2 square root 7 plus square root 3, it will be 4. 7 minus 3, it will be 4. Then if I cancel out this 4 divide this 2, we will find out square root 7 plus square root 3 over 2. This is our final answer in this radical mass Olympiad question. Thank you all. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe my channel for other interesting video. Goodbye. Take care.